While Felon Trump was bragging about how great he was and spreading propaganda last night, Mother Nature had a full-blown tantrum. Deadly storms ripped through the South, with tornadoes in Texas, Oklahoma, and Louisiana, blizzards in the Midwest, and wildfires in San Antonio. Mississippi reported 2 storm-related fatalities, while nearly 500,000 people lost power across multiple states. And because things weren't chaotic enough, this was also the first big test for the National Weather Service after the Great Felon fired hundreds of forecasters last week. No big deal, just severe weather hitting half the country. Meanwhile, Mardi Gras rolled on in New Orleans because not even 70-mile-per-hour winds can stop people from catching beads and chasing drinks. Officials shortened parades, though, and banned umbrellas and hope for the best. 2025, where you might need a snow shovel, an evacuation plan, and a party hat, all in the same week. Believe in truth. I'll be back with more of it. Go. What are you still doing here?